Actor Johnny Depp took the stand this week to testify in the ongoing libel case against his ex-wife Amber Heard. Giving evidence, Depp told the court he has suffered for 6 years due to Heard's actions and his career has deteriorated as a direct consequence. My goal is the truth because it killed me that all these people I had ever met over the years, that these people would think that I was a fraud, the Pirates of the Caribbean star added. In long, meandering answers, the actor flatly denied hitting Heard and attributed vulgar text messages he sent to her, and on which some of her allegations hinge, to a verbal style he picked up from the late writer Hunter S. Thompson. Depp also claimed that Heard, who he married in 2015, went from a loving and caring wife to someone who constantly berated and attacked him, leading him to on occasion hide from her in a locked bathroom. What is the libel case about? The case rests on an op-ed for the Washington Post written in 2018, in which Amber Heard described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp was not explicitly mentioned, but claims the piece implicates him because it refers to past accusations Heard made when she sought a restraining order against him. Early on, it was established that the trial was likely to be extremely acrimonious, with Heard's lawyer saying it would become a mudslinging soap opera. Heard's account will be heard later in the 6-week trial, with only the prosecution putting their case so far, but the defense claims that Depp is unable to account for his actions in the relationship due to alcohol and drug use, as well as asserting that Heard was entitled to describe herself the way she did due to her First Amendment right to free speech. The court has heard that Depp suffered abuse as a child, as well as supportive statements. 2009, Depp and Heard met on the set of The Rum Diary. Depp and Heard met on the set of his movie where they co-starred in the adaptation of the book of the same name by Hunter S. Thompson. The film, in which the pair played love interests on the island of Puerto Rico, was a box office flop. 2012, Heard and Depp began dating. The co-stars turned into real-life love interests after the breakup of Depp's relationship with his partner for 14 years, the French model Vanessa Paradis, with whom he has 2 children. It was stated in a court filing by Heard that their relationship began around the turn of 2011 to 2012. 2013, Heard alleges she was assaulted for the first time. In 2013, the couple got into an argument in which Heard alleges Depp hit her for the first time. According to Heard, the incident occurred after she made fun of Depp's tattoo, which reads, "Wino Forever." The tattoo is an altered version of Winona Forever, a memento of Depp's relationship with actress Winona Ryder. Depp denied the incident took place, saying, "It didn't happen. Why would I take such great offense to someone making fun of a tattoo on my body? That allegation never made any sense to me." 2014, the two get engaged. Amber Heard was spotted out and about wearing an engagement ring, leading to questions about the pair's relationship. Depp later appeared to confirm the relationship in an interview with the Daily Mail, where he discussed wedding planning and described himself as wearing a chick's ring, adding, "It's probably a dead giveaway, isn't it? Not very subtle." Heard alleges an assault took place on a private plane. Heard claims that Depp assaulted her in 2014 on a private plane flying from Boston to Los Angeles. Heard says Depp was blackout intoxicated. Depp denied the incident and said he had taken 2 tablets and drunk a glass of champagne before the flight. 2015, Depp and Heard marry. The actors married at a private ceremony in their Los Angeles home, which was nonetheless reported by People. 2015, Depp and Heard released an apology video following breaking Australian import laws. Following a controversy in which the couple tried to take their 2 dogs into Australia but ran afoul in the country's strict import laws, Heard and Depp released an apology video. In the po-faced video, the pair acknowledged that Australia has tight biosecurity laws due to its isolated location and ecosystems, with Heard adding, "I'm truly sorry that Pistol and Boo were not declared. Protecting Australia is important." 2016, argument over fecal matter in the bed. In court, Depp outlined a final row between the couple, which began after he accused Heard of smearing human excrement on his side of the shared bed. The actor said that Heard insisted the incident was down to their small dogs. The fight deteriorated until Depp claims Heard rang her friends and pretended he was hitting her. Soon after this incident, Heard sought a restraining order and was photographed with marks on her face. Depp testified that Heard said to her friends on the phone, "Stop hitting me, Johnny," even though he was standing nowhere near her. 2016, Heard filed for divorce, claiming abuse. Heard filed for divorce from Depp in 2016, alleging he had physically abused her, usually under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Heard specifically referenced one recent event in the filing in which she sustained a bruise to the face after Depp threw a phone at her. This incident was investigated by Los Angeles police, and a spokesperson said no crime had taken place. Depp's representatives said Heard was attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. 2017, a divorce settlement of $7 million reached. In a deposition in 2017, Heard rescinded her request for a restraining order and request for spousal support. The former couple released a joint statement saying, "Our relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm." Heard claims she donated the $7 million settlement to charity. 2018, Heard writes an op-ed for the Washington Post. Heard wrote the op-ed for Washington Post, the subject for the current libel trial, in 2018. In it, she discussed the treatment of domestic abuse victims, saying, "I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out." In 2019, Depp files a $50 million libel suit against Heard. Depp's suit, which set the current lawsuit into action, was filed in 2019 and claims that Heard is fabricating the allegations to generate positive publicity. The suit likewise calls Heard a perpetrator of domestic abuse. In a counterclaim filed that attempted to get Depp's suit dismissed, Heard described scars on her hands and feet from when Depp dragged her through broken glass. In November 2020, Depp is sacked from the Fantastic Beasts franchise. Depp had portrayed Grindelwald, the villain of the Harry Potter spin-off series Fantastic Beasts, but following his unsuccessful libel action was let go by production company Warner Brothers. The actor said in a statement written on Instagram, "I wish to let you know that I've been asked to resign by Warner Brothers from my role as Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts, and I've respected and agreed to that request. I wish to say this. The surreal judgment of the court in the UK will not change my fight to tell the truth, and I confirm that I plan to appeal. My resolve remains strong, and I intend to prove that the allegations against me are false," Depp added. "My life and career will not be defined by this moment in time." Depp was denied the right to appeal later that month. April 2022, Depp and Heard's libel case begins in Virginia, USA. Which brings us up to the present day, where the trial continues in the US. Who knows what the outcome will be? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.